Angels, ancients, ancestors, guides, with me always by my side. Guide my hand by yours alone. Reveal the truth that is unknown. Open the veil that clouds my sight. Awaken wisdom pure and bright. Show me the path that lies ahead, where hope is born and fear has fled. From realms of spirit clear and near, let every whisper reach my ear. Speak through the cards both strong and clear, so hearts may heal and minds may hear. Ancestors, keepers of my line, lend me your strength, your sight divine. Teach me the lessons of the past, that I may read with truth steadfast. Angels of light, with wings of grace, illuminate this sacred space. Pour clarity like morning dew, to guide each word and vision true. Ancients and masters, wise and kind, unravel mysteries of the mind. Through every symbol, every sign, align my will with love divine. Spirit guides who walk unseen, show what is hidden, what it means. Guard this reading, bless this time, with truth, compassion, and design.